Welcome back. Today we are going to do the tail dragger. Today we have a carbon cub and we're going to go through the process of getting your CG measurements for this aircraft. The first up is we already obviously have this set up on our RCCG machine unit. Our first thing we want to do is get our tail level. So what we need to do is get our measurement from our tail to the top of here. And obviously all aircraft's different, so you're going to take this measurement, and then what we're going to do, and by the way, if you don't have a level, you can get a little torpedo level, or you can use the level out of the center to get your idea for your measurement, set that on there. And in this case, we got 8.5 inches for our measurement. Now what I have done is actually cut a piece of 2.5 inch PVC. It can be either electrical conduit or regular plumbing conduit, doesn't matter. It's 2.5 inch. Now the reason for the 2.5 inch is it actually fits in the adapter that I fit you and for the pucks perfectly, so you can set it right in there so it's nice and secure. So then what we're going to do is we're going to lift our aircraft carefully. We're going to take our sensor off. We're going to put this extension on here, and then this was the adapter plate that we were talking about before. So this adapter plate is going to sit on there, and then your Zycoy sits perfectly on that. And then take your tail of your aircraft, set it back down on there, and then kind of make sure that your PVC tube is to the very front edge of the pads, and then realign your pad so your center wheel is on the center again, which is very important because that is your first measurement for the tail dragger. With this case with a tail dragger, what you're going to notice, unlike the jets, our leading edge marker, you notice we can't slide it up far enough so it hits the wing. This is going to be very common on a tail dragger because of the position of the wing. So what I had come up with, what you want to do is start at a reference point on the measuring where you can get your markings and do your math easily. In this case, I took mine up to 10 centimeters, which is 100 millimeters, and then tighten down your rod, and then take your included ruler, and then what we're going to do is take that measurement from the leading edge to the front edge of your marker. In this case, it's 116 millimeters. So with 116 millimeters, this particular carbon cub CG is 110 millimeters back from the leading edge. So what we are going to do is take that 110 measurement and add it to our 116 millimeter measurement, which will give us a total of 226 millimeters. So again, take your included ruler from your leading edge. We'll take this and we'll set this at 226. Take your marker that's included and keep that on the other side and put your ruler right up to there. Now that is our second mark for the Zycoy. And in this case, it's 182 millimeters. So that's your second mark. So then you have your two marks easily. You have your CG line mark, and then back our first measurement where the tail sits, we have our first measurement. And that is all you need to do for the tail dragger. This concludes our demonstration for the tail dragger. If you have any further questions on the tail dragger setup on this, please feel free to email me, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you.